Good day everyone! Welcome to TIT999 Facebook Marketplace. Our total marketplace listing is possible with the total active is 20 plus. Estimated inquiry per day is 10. This week inquiry converted to sales is 45,200 with 12 transactions. These are my top 3 listing. Number 1 is t-shirt with print DTF. It has 1 inquiry received, 22 total transactions, and 21K total amount. Number 2 is canvas bag with Sabli print. It has 16 inquiry received and 2 total transactions with 15K total amount. And my number 3 is mugs with Sabli print. It has 5 inquiry received and 1 total transaction, and it has 25K total amount. That's all. Thank you for watching.